In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue in Streamlabs where it's not capturing your game's video. So let's get straight into it, and you'll first just need to launch up the Streamlabs application and then come over to sources at the bottom here, and we're going to select add a new source. The first thing I'm going to try is adding a game capture. Click on add source at the bottom here. Just give your game capture a name. I'm going to leave it as default. Click on add source, and then for the mode, we're going to select capture specific window. Inside of this window drop down, this is where we're going to select our game. So as you can see at the moment on my computer, I have Age of Empires running. So if I come back over to Streamlabs, then in this window, I'm going to select Age of Empires. Now, all of these settings are fine as default, but as you can see, nothing's appearing in this preview window here. So if I go ahead and close out of here, you can see that we have the game captured down here, but again, nothing's appearing in this black window. So there's two different ways that you can fix this. The first method is just heading over to your game that you're trying to record. Come inside of the settings window of your game, and all you need to do is change the display mode to full screen. Now, it doesn't matter what game you're trying to record. Every game will have its own settings, and all you need to do is change the display mode to full screen. Then if we come back over to the application, in some instances this does work, in others it does not. If this doesn't work for you, then another thing that we can do is come back over to add a new source here, and rather than selecting game capture, we're going to come over to window capture. Click on add source, give the source a name. I'm going to leave it as default. Click add source. From this drop down in window, we're going to select our game. So for me, that's Age of Empires. The capture method we can leave as automatic, and you can decide whether you also want to capture your mouse cursor. Click on done, and as you can see here now in the preview window, we can see our game being displayed. And it's as simple as that, guys. This is kind of a workaround so you're able to record your game video. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.